नमस्कार। आप सभी को नागपंचमी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और इसी के साथ मैं आपको एक चीज और कहना चाहूंगी कि आगे आने वाले मेरे वाक्यों से कृपया ऑफेंड ना हो, बिकॉज आजकल बहुत सारे लोगों का खाली टाइम पास बन गया है बैठ के ऑफेंड होना। मतलब इंटरनेट पे कुछ देखो, उसके बाद ऑफेंड हो जाओ और उसके बाद उस पर कमेंट करो। तो ये सारा सिर्फ मजाक है, इसको कृपया मजाक के ही तौर पे लें, ठीक है। So as now I have got away with this apology and everything, so let's just start this video. Yes, so today I woke up and as I woke up I seen a notification in my phone and it was telling me that it is Nag Panchami today. And you know what, I don't know about you, but I personally don't know anything about Nag Panchami, because when I was a kid my mother used to make like kheer, sevai and all these things, and we used to like make 3 snakes on the sides of like the door and things like that. But apart from that, neither like I have asked any question from any of like the people around me like why it's celebrated, nor anyone ever thought about telling me. So I personally don't know about Nag Panchami anything. Yes, so as I woke up I thought कि यार पता किया जाए what is this Nag Panchami and why it's like celebrated. So I just thought about googling because that's the best thing I could have done. So I know how Google plays with your mind, because what it says that you can ask anything from the Google, but once you'll ask any question that the Google doesn't know the proper answer of, it gives you the answer of all the other things around it which you're not even asking. Like I was asking for the story, I was searching for the story behind this Nag Panchami's festival, but you know what it was telling me? It was telling me everything, but not the exact story. It was how can we celebrate Nag Panchami, who celebrates Nag Panchami, when Nag Panchami is celebrated, and in the question of why Nag Panchami is celebrated, it is also telling me like Hindus and Brahmins celebrate Nag Panchami and things like that. Man, I already know it. I already know everything. I want to know why it's celebrated, why. And when I've searched like multiple times, finally I've got few stories. And you know what? My issue is I'll only believe on something once I'll get a proper, particular and a single story behind it. A single proof is what I want to. So as I read all these stories, you know what I have realized? I realized that these stories belongs to different generations. So basically what people are doing, people are just creating different stories in every generation to teach their kids to celebrate this particular festival. Like this Mahabharat story, उस पे तो कमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए, बट स्टिल एंड महाभारत स्टोरी बिलोंग्स टू दैट medieval era, and then the other water fills up the burrows and snakes will come out. That yes, the second story belongs to that period in between the Mahabharat and the new generation one, and the last story this just to protect ourselves from the snakes. So the third one belongs to this new generation. So yes. I thought the same thing as well. Ki if the story behind Nag Panchami is depending upon the time of the people they are living in, so now it's time to create a new story for this festival. And the story should be to protect ourselves from the friends, the fake friends. Yes, the friends who are like snakes living in your sleeves like this and coming out and biting you at the time when it is favorable for them. Yes, this is the new story and it should be written in the new scriptures which I'll create. I'm a Brahmin, so what I'll do, as many of my friends, not many of my friends, but yes, few we will call me Pandit as well. So as I am the Pandit, yes, you give me the respect of being a Pandit. So what I'll do what a Pandit should be doing. I'll write this new story and I'll make this katha, this new katha, and I'll circulate it in between the people to read. And on every Nag Panchami going forward, people will read this katha. The mothers will read this katha for their kids की भगवान हे नाग देवता मेरे बच्चों की सांप या सर्प जैसे दोस्तों से रक्षा करें, क्योंकि इस सदी में जब मेरा भोला भाला बच्चा घर से बाहर स्कूल जाता है या कॉलेज जाता है, कहीं भी जाता है, तो उसको बहुत ही खतरा रहता है ऐसे सर्प रूपी जीवों से। जो कि उसके साथ उसके दोस्त बन के रहते हैं, मगर कभी भी समय मिलते ही उसी की ही पीठ पे काट लेते हैं। लॉर्ड स्नेक, नाग देवता, हमको बचा सकते हैं हर चीज से, तो नाग देवता ही अब बचा सकते हैं नाग रूपी दोस्तों से, जो कि आजकल की दुनिया में ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे हैं। So if you want to protect yourself, you know what you have to do? You have to just buy a photo of Mr. Nag or Nag Devta and just keep it in your home and then pray to him or her, whatever the gender is, regularly. And you have to pray what? The same thing which I have prayed. So don't worry, in like next few years you will get this katha out in the market as well, to just buy and do this katha thing in your home whenever you want, whenever you like. So you know what will happen after praying for few times? You will save yourself from these friends and these friends will go away from your life. Nice idea? Yes, thank you in advance. Okay, so that's what it for today. I just told you what it is required for me to do, and now you know what you have to do. So just celebrate the Nag Panchami and enjoy this day. Bye bye.